Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy A50 Android 11. So first of all, go to YouTube and search for Align Shield X Vessel. So here is the first video. You need to watch it and how to create Align Shield X account and how to backup Align Shield X in your Samsung account. If you know that, proceed next, and if you don't know, watch this video and create your account in Align Shield X and backup it in your Samsung account. Then come back to your device and do further steps. So first of all, we need to connect our mobile with computer and open SamFirm tool and select MTP bypass FRP. Click on it and this will show a pop-up message on your mobile screen. As you can see, I just click on the MTP FRP bypass and it's now just going to show you a pop-up message here. And now click on the view button and this will let you go to Google Chrome. So click accept and continue. As you can see, no thanks. Now here we need to search for FRP Vessel. Right here, FRP Vessel space Vessel and search it. Now just click on the first link. As you can see, FRP APK file, just click on it here and this will let you go to my website. So here you just need to scroll down and now I just click on the go back, again click on it, and here I need to click on the settings app. So first of all, we need to analyze which software is in it. Software information, as you can see, Android 11 and 1st July 2021 is the security patch, so you can see it clearly. So now we just need to click on the Galaxy Store, open Galaxy Store and click agree, and this will ask for the update. Just click on the update button and it can take a few minutes, depend on your internet speed, so just update it. And now come back to the website again and here we need to open Galaxy Store again, and now this time this will be open smoothly. Now you just need to click on the search button and here we need to search for S9 launcher and we need to download it. As you can see, it's just going to download and it's asking for the Samsung account, so we will give our Samsung account here. Use same account which has Align Shield X backup. So here is my account. Now I am going to give my password, so just give here password and click done. And now it will ask for the verification. So as you can see, I will verify it with text message. So it will send a text message with the security code, so I just put it here, the security code, and verify it. As you can see, our file is just going to download. Click allow and now it's downloading, and after the downloading finish, we need to open it, install anyway, and now we need to click on the play button to open it, continue. And as you can see, now we are in our mobile and now we just need to go to menu and here we need to go settings, and now we need to go to account and backup and restore data here. And now as you can see, it's asking for the update, so wait for a few minutes and it's downloading the update version, and then again click on the restore data. So just wait a minute because it's downloading. As you can see, still updating the app, so just wait a little bit. When the updating is finished, we will click on it again. So just wait. Now I try again, restore data, and you can see it's open now, and here is the backup in Facel A12. So just click on the arrow button, and here we just need to select Align Shield X, which we have already backed up in this account. So just done, restore, install, and it can take a few minutes depend on your internet speed. So it's installing now. As you can see, it's almost done here. After the installation finish, we need to open that file. Later, just go back again, go back, and now we need to see here Align Shield X, open it, next, and here we need to give Align Shield X account, which I have already created. So I just give my Align Shield X account and password. Just click on the sign in button. As you can see, click on next, device admin, activate it, next, Knox, click here to activate it. Now I have confirmed. Now it can take a few seconds here and Knox is open. Just click next, finish. You must enable the Knox, otherwise this will not work. App Manager, close, and here we need to search for service mode. Search here SCRVICE service space mode, and click here service mode. Now click on the activities, and here we need to scroll down at the bottom 1 2 3 at the 3 number service mode, click on it. Now click on the open button here, and here we need to select MTP plus ADB, click here, and it's all done. Now we just need to connect our mobile with PC so we can bypass FRP lock in ADB mode. So as you can see, mobile is already connected. Samfirm 1.4.2 is open in computer. The link is in description, you can download it from there. As you can see, our ADB drivers are installed. Now just click on Android Tools, ADB, and here is the reset FRP. Just click on it. Now it will ask for the permission, just allow. In mobile, again allow, click here, and as you can see, when it reset the FRP lock, the mobile will be restart. Just wait a second. I just click on again, click on the allow button, and as you can see, it's just resetted. Now our mobile is restart and it will start up soon, so just wait for the startup. If you bypass FRP lock successfully, please mention date and the security patch in the comment section so other people can get help also. So this method you can use on other Samsung models which have Android 11, and security patch is One UI 3.1. It's working method, and as you can see, our phone is just going to start. Just click on the allow button and select anyone which you want. I select Samsung just once. so it can blink here a few seconds, so don't worry about that. As you can see, our phone is started up successfully and there is no FRP lock or Google lock. Now there is one step left, so keep watching how to completely bypass FRP lock. So just go to settings and remove your Samsung account first. Just go to accounts, manage account, and here is my account. Just remove it, and this will ask for the password. Just give here password. Now our account is signed out, so as you can see, just go back again now, and here is click on reset and click on the factory data reset. Now click on the reset button again, delete all, and this will reset your mobile and all your data will erase. So now it's completely FRP bypass mobile. I just make fast forward video for you so we can finish it fast. As you can see, our mobile is started up successfully and there is no FRP lock or Google lock. You can see it's Android version and security patch also. So hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.